Hello guys, my name is Samuel Awoyemi. Welcome to Any Dollars. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can become a affiliate marketing by having an OP account. Are you be thinking that can this be possible? Yes, it's possible. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, I want you to subscribe now and like this video earning dollars. So let's go. If you have you registered with OP before, and if you are registered with them, congratulations to you. And let's go straight to our OP accounts. And if you don't have an account with them, you can just open an online account with them. It's easy with just your phone number, BVN, and your ININ, your national identity card. So the first thing is to go to your OP. When you get to your OP, you can see that I have 507 here. And how do you have your reward? How do you earn through this thing? And you can see, then you are going to click reward here. You can see, and when you get to this place, you can see revert and earn cashback. I'm going to tell you two things here. The first thing is that you can see the daily bonus. You can see that cashback 254. You can be buying data for people, like buying for them, and they will be you'll be earning, like, I think Glow Time has the maximum percentage here, has the highest percentage, while MTN follows and Airtime, like okay, Airtime 9 Mobile follows, and MTN and Airtel follows after 9 Mobile. So all these things you can earn money. Don't just sit down at home and go and watching a lot of video that's you are not going to earn money. You can say, let's come to the real matters here, and you can see at the bottom below, earn 800 cashback per Rivera. How do you do this? And for example, you have about maybe a school is familiar to you, and there's an SS2, SS3 student, and you just, like, if you register through my link, you are going to earn like 800. That is what you can be. And I'm going to tell you this because you can see I'm in tier 3. I'm going to show you now. You can see that I'm in tier 3. Can see now, going to show you, can see I'm in tier 3. So if you register OP through my link, you are going to earn a commission. They are going to give you 500 cashback. You can see that I'm in tier 3. So if you register, but if you are in maybe tier 1, you are not going to collect anything. But if you register through my link, the link of people they are in tier 3 or merchants accounts, so you are going to earn a commission also if you sign up through that link. I assure you today that if you sign up through my link that is in tier 3, you are going to earn 500 cashback, and anytime you buy airtime, they are going to give you reward. And you can see that this is not a play. So if I buy airtime, Glow Airtime now, I'm going to earn a commission through this. And if I revert people now, I'm going to earn a commission, and OP is going to pay me. And if I revert to 1 people, I'm going to earn 800, and the person that I revert is going to earn 500 because I'm in certified account. So through this, can earn money through OP, and there's no much investment in this, just by maybe having like maybe 5,000 to 10,000, and you can be doing this every day, and you'll be earning your money every day. If you buy data for people, if you buy like 4,000 data for them, you are going to earn 800. If you have like 100,000 in your account, and you transfer airtime, you are doing a business of transferring airtime, like from your OP account to others, and you are going to earn a commission of like maybe about like 10,000 a month. You are using 100,000 as is deposit in your account. So in this, you can earn money through this, and these are the way that you can make money online. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Samuel Awoyemi. Welcome to Earn Dollars again, when I show people how you can make money online easily and without scam. And I assure you that if you do this today, you can make a lot of money, generate passive income online. And through this, there's a lot of benefits that you can make from this. So I'm going to see you in my next video. And don't forget that in the link of my description, I'm going to paste my OP Rivera link for you to sign up and earn 800. So I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace be on.